A Tesla Cybertruck owner crashed his truck as he experienced a seemingly new issue. The truck accelerated on its own even after rear brake locked up. In this horrific situation, the truck's brake didn't disengage the accelerator, and the truck crashed into a house. The owner said his truck accelerated unexpectedly after only 4 hours total on the road. In surveillance footage, the impractical pickup darted up a hill into a neighbor's house with the rear wheels completely locked up. The owner stated that the throttle and steering were unresponsive, as he held the brake pedal to the floor, putting down a pair of 50-foot-long skid marks. Tesla said they're reviewing the logs to understand what really happened. Tesla also told the owner to deal with his insurance company to cover the damages costs. It's not precisely clear what went wrong with the Cybertruck this time, but it has been a headache since it launched.